Qualitative and quantitative data in statistics. Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. There are two main branches of data in statistics. We have qualitative data and quantitative data. Qualitative data is sometimes called categorical data. Here, our data is grouped by color, shape, size, brand, and other characteristics. Quantitative data is sometimes called numerical data. Here, our data has to do with its numerical value. Qualitative data can then be divided into two subcategories. They are nominal and ordinal. Nominal means the data will have named categories. Ordinal means the data will have categories with an implied order. Quantitative data can also be divided into two subcategories. They are discrete and continuous. Discrete data must be a particular value, while continuous data can be any numerical value in a set of ratios.
Please be sure to check out all my videos, like, share, and subscribe, and check out my social medias.